arrive Pure Gold duty free?
Sweet potato, my friend.
I don't do. I don't eat sweet potato, thank you.
Souvenir.
Souvenir, I am in Philippines.
No. When you going to country,
I?
can you remember?
Yes, I use camera always.
You remembrance the product Negrito.
I?
Product Negrito, sir. Can you
Product
going to?
Negritos.
Yeah, you're going to country. Can you buy?
But I am live in the Philippines, you know.
Uh,
I am from Pampanga.
You're from Pampanga?
Yes, I
How
have
many years stay
10
here?
years already.
10 years you
Yes.
stay here?
Yes. It's personal for you, not need to sell. It's only
Okay.
personal for you.
Okay, my friend.
Okay. Guys, I will go to the Pure Gold duty free. This is parking. We happy already. I give 100 peso. Guys, I bought with so many. Also for Georgi chocolate I bought. He asking me this one. It's for Georgi. It's another for Shaira. Okay, guys, help me to go to parking. Already finished park. No, thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
My friend. My
No,
friend,
it's
Aita.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
From Aita?
Yeah, Aita. This Aita. Aita, you regional Aita.
I know, because
I live the mountain.
in mountain.
Yeah.
My wife know. My wife know you maybe. If from Aita,
yeah.
she know.
Your pulse.
Uh-huh.
Very nice pulse.
Yeah, I been. It's very good place.
Yeah, you guide.
Yeah, yeah.
Me, mommy.
Okay. Yes, I very like
yeah.
mountain. Yeah.
Tomorrow morning or next week. Come back.
Okay.
What's your name?
Leon.
Leon?
Yes, Leon, my name.
My name is Nanay Florencia Laksamana.
Okay. Wait, I will
my
guide.
friend.
This is for parking. No, I give to you more because
No more food.
for.
Hey.
Oh, I don't
No,
have
no,
already.
hey.
It's okay. Yeah, because I all money already. But I give all money already parking.
1, 2, 3. Family, no more food.
I know, but I all money already don't have money because I use card.
Okay.
You see, I always have card in my.
Card, okay.
I not
You
take
can
so
buy-
many cash.
You can like guide to mountain.
Yeah.
Then you're looking to
Okay.
mountain. Oh,
Okay.
very nice.
Okay.
Hungry.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
No more.
Okay, I know. Okay, thank you.
My friend.
Leon. Yes, my name is Leon. Okay, thank you. Bye. I give, but sorry guys, I don't have more money. I use cash only for parking, for because I need pick up my friends in Balibago, and we're going to my home.
Attention to the front car.
Hi guys, I pick up already my friends in Balibago, and we're going to my home to eat barbecue. We will prepare barbecue. Yesterday we already bought meat in the walking street. So many meat, fresh meat in the walking street. And we're going to my home right now. Guys, we already arrived in my home. We're in the terrace with Georgi and also my friend Sergey. he don't want in the video, but it's okay. Sergey, I will give to you face mask big like this, okay? No, I want to show guys, we just come to home and our cat, he afraid, he very afraid people because it's, you can take a look how he hide. This one. It's my cat. He very afraid. You take a look how he sit. So big and small. Georgi cook for us today. Our cat. He don't want to go outside. He hide here. Because he don't know my friends. Let's go, don't worry. They give to you foods, they give food to you, don't worry. Okay. Come back. Go down. Huh? They give to you soon, they give to you meat. Okay? Don't worry. You're not hungry. Yes. Okay, don't worry. He seen my friend. Okay, if you want, you sit here. Georgi cook today.
Yes.
This is already 1 kilo.
Yes.
Chicken also wanted. This food for chicken. After 1 month, this is chicken we can eat. No, 1.5. Our meat look like charcoal.
Because of soy sauce.
Yes, soy sauce. Sergey already prepare.
Hello.
He don't want to show face because he have girlfriend in Russia. Joke. He don't have girlfriend in Russia.
We're cutting vegetables.
Yeah. Our dinner is meat and vegetable only. It's enough.
Tagay.
Tagay?